Before you begin using the ETD template to format the body of your work, make sure you have a clear understanding of how to use heading styles. Open the Styles panel in Word 2007 by clicking on the Home tab, finding the Styles section, and clicking here. The template includes 5 predefined heading styles, all of which are denoted by the heading prefix. The front matter and chapter heading styles indicate the major sections into which you have divided your work. Text styled with either of these headings should always appear at the very top of a new page and in all capital letters. First through third level headings have 2 major attributes. First, they appear in the body text of your work. Second, and more importantly, they are hierarchical. Use a second level heading if and only if you have a related first level heading somewhere upstream in the document. Likewise, use a third level heading if and only if you have previously used a second level heading. So how do the heading styles behave? Front matter, chapter, first and second level headings format both the appearance of the text and the spacing around it. After styling a heading, there's no reason to skip a line beneath it. The style has already taken care of that spacing. Allowing the style to do its work promotes greater consistency in your paper and fewer headaches later on getting the format of your thesis, treatise, or dissertation approved. Let's look at an example of heading styles in action. We'll pretend that this sample text is the beginning of a new chapter of our thesis. Each new chapter may have 2 headings, a title, which contains a number, and a heading, which gives your reader some idea about the chapter's content. Use the front matter chapter title style to style the chapter title. And use the chapter heading style to style the chapter heading. First level headings are the primary means for dividing each chapter into logical units. Use second level headings to subdivide main logical units into coherent points or ideas. Third level headings, on the other hand, are special. They are designed as paragraph headings and used in line with other text. Third level headings are character styles, and as such, you'll need to select the appropriate text before applying them. Use third level or paragraph headings to mark a paragraph as the beginning of the exposition of one important detail. For example, I can turn this into a paragraph heading by selecting the correct text and then applying the style. Third level headings have a period after them, and the first word after it is capitalized. Now that you've gotten a handle on how to use heading styles, it's time to format the main portion of your work, the body text. Fortunately, you have limited choices of how to do this. 90% of your work's text calls for the body text normal style. Again, since this is a paragraph style, there's no need to highlight the text. Note that the style automatically indents the paragraph, so there's no reason to add a tab. Format any special words in the body of your text by using character styles. Examples of special words are foreign words or phrases, or the titles of books, plays, or other works. You'll probably want to see whichever style guide you're using for specific examples. Besides using character styles, you can also use the standard methods for styling such words. There is one important exception to always using body text normal to format the text of your thesis, treatise, or dissertation. You should use the body text after chapter heading style to format the first paragraph after a chapter heading. This will help keep your work's spacing consistent. Format the text of your appendices the same way you formatted the body of your work. However, you may place the appendix title and heading on a page separate from the text. I recommend doing so, as this will eliminate the possibility of uneven spacing between the heading and body of each appendix. Use a page break to separate your appendix title page from its body. It's easiest to turn on the Show, Hide, Hidden Formatting characters first. Now you want to place one line before the first line of your appendix body. Now insert the page break. You'll find the page break command under the Page Layout tab, in the Page Setup panel, under the Breaks drop-down, under the Page Breaks heading, and lastly, Page. Now eliminate that one line that you made and format your appendix text in the manner specified. Although the template cannot automatically format your references according to the prescriptions or conventions of a particular style guide, such as the Chicago Manual of Style, the APA Style Manual, etc., it can typeset each entry with the appropriate spacing and indentation. Use the reference entry style to do so. Formatting the biographical sketch should be straightforward. If you've already written a biographical sketch, simply paste it in and style it appropriately.